The rib stitch is used to work the edges of the garments. It's an elastic type of stitch, thick and reversible, which helps to adjust the garment. It's worked by alternating a knit stitch and a purl stitch all over the row. On the even rows, work stitches as they appear. This means knit the knit stitches and purl the purl stitches. By casting on an even number of stitches, all rows start with a knit stitch. To start, knit 1, pass the strand in front of your work and purl 1 stitch. Pass the strand on the back side of your work and knit 1 stitch, and so on until the end of the row. Turn the work around, and since you have an even number of stitches, pass the strand to the back of your work and knit 1 stitch. Repeat as many times as you want.